Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors. In this quick video, I want to talk about what to do when one of your marketing sources just dies out on you. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. Okay, I'm in Gold Beach, Oregon today, enjoying the Southern Oregon coast. Probably a lot of wind noise. Let's see how good the microphone does. If it's windy, it's windy. I've got a really good point to make. It's important and I want you to understand it. What is it? Well, one of my advanced coaching students came to me and said, Tom, you know, one of my big marketing sources, it's drying up, something's wrong. Suddenly everybody is, let me get away from that tide. Suddenly everybody is, tide's coming in. Said suddenly everybody is telling him that he's the 30th person to call. There's too many investors chasing the same thing. He said, how did this happen? What went wrong? I said, for the most part, probably somebody is producing the list and selling the list. So someone figured they'll make some money by pulling the names at the courthouse and then selling it to investors, which makes it easy for the investors to get the list now, where before it took effort, so nobody did it, and it was, he made a lot of money off that list. Now, people don't have to go to the courthouse, they don't have to put any work in, they don't have to put any effort in. So what do they wind up doing? They just buy the list, and then everybody markets to it, and it ruins the effectiveness of it. So, what's the solution? Well, look, in my system, it's easy. My Rapid Cash Generator Kit has 85 different marketing techniques detailed out with the templates, with the instructions. So if one of them goes bad because somebody's producing a list and selling it, well, forget about it. Then one down, there's 84 others to choose from, so you're set. Now look, I know that was a good list. I know he's made good money from that list, but like most good things in life, sometimes they come to an end and you have to accept that and you have to take care of that. So it's time to move on to a different list. So the issue for you is, are you able to quickly pivot onto another list when things change? Do you have 84 other options to go to? Because I can make this really easy for you, and it's a great reason to start in my total traction system with my Rapid Cash Generator Kit. Now remember, it's not that you have to be the only person doing a given marketing technique. I mean, there's hamburger joints at every corner in town. You don't have to be the only one there, but it's best not to have the herds of humanity there. I mean, look, I'm on a fairly lonely beach. There's some footprints on the ground, other than mine, but there's not many, right? If it's crowded, well, that's when it's not as exclusive. It's going to be harder to find deals. But if there's a few of you, that's fine, because that's when the other parts of my system come into play to make you the only logical choice. Every part of the system can eliminate and destroy your competition, but it's also very good to start somewhere that isn't so crowded. That's something you're interested in? Check it out below. Go to tractionrealestatementors.com/kit, K-I-T. Okay, tide is coming in, so it's time to go. That's the end of this quick training video. From Gold Beach, Oregon, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, signing off.